Today let's take up conversion of infix expression to a postfix expression in stacks. Conversion of infix expression to a postfix expression. Right. Now let's look at the basic rules for doing such type of questions. First of all, let's look at infix expression. Supposing I write something like this: a plus b this is an infix expression, and the same if it is written as a postfix expression. This will be written as ab plus. So basically, see here, if you write a into b, when it becomes a postfix, the operator comes afterwards, right? So this is ab into, this is a postfix expression. Now we have got certain rules for conversion from infix to postfix expression. Let's look at the rules to be followed. Basically, you have to follow an evaluation order in this, right? The evaluation order, the very first thing that has to be evaluated is the brackets, right? Then after that, the exponentiation. Here it's given by this arrow sign. This is your exponentiation sign, right? Then after that comes the multiplication or division, okay? And then comes addition or subtraction. Now, in case of multiplication, see, multiplication or division, they have got the same priority. Same way, addition or subtraction again has got the same priority. So in cases where the operators have a same priority, the evaluation should start from left to right, right? Now there are two ways in which this infix expression can be converted into a postfix expression. One is manually and another is by using stack. Now first of all, in today's session we will do the manual one. I'll take up a small example first, and then let's try to use the rules for converting this. See, supposing I have this, convert a plus b into c divided by d, right? When you do the conversions manually, we can put extra brackets so that what we have to do becomes clear. But I'll show you both ways. See, supposing in this case, let's take up this. See, first of all, see, this is the brackets a plus b, right? So the brackets have to be evaluated first. That is what is written here, right? So here we do, see, when you evaluate this a plus b as a postfix, it becomes ab plus, right? And after that you have got into c, right, divided by d. Now you look at this bracket has already been converted into postfix here. Now you have got two more operators, one is into and one is division, right? Okay, now we have seen that the priority for multiplication or division is the same, so it has to be from left to right. So what is the left most is the multiplication sign, right? So first of all, I'll have to do this AB plus, it's actually now this expression, see, AB plus multiplication sign and then C, right? So if I do a postfix evaluation of this, it becomes AB plus, this is already done, right? Okay, into C will become C into, got it? So that thing I'm going to write here, AB plus C into, okay. Now after that you have got divided by D, this is what we have, right? So basically now this part up till this part, it is converted into a postfix, right? Now you are left with this divided by D. Now I'll write AB plus C into D into D and then divided by. This is the final answer. This is the postfix expression, right? So first of all, the first step was we evaluated the brackets, right? Evaluated the brackets and then the multiplication sign and then the division in this case, right? The same thing, you can put some more extra brackets in this so that, see, it can be done like this also. I write like this, I put one extra bracket in the beginning, then I write, see, this is A plus B is already there in the bracket. After that we have to do into C, right? That is the order of evaluation, fine, okay, and then divided by D. So now you understand, if you do like this, basically when we do like this, it is like, you know, we are separating this divided by D here so that it becomes more clear, or when you look at it, you are actually separating this divided by D so that it doesn't lead to a very confusing kind of expression, right? Oh, sorry. Here you put a bracket A plus B into C, right? This whole expression will be evaluated first. So that is basically, this bracket will be there, the first bracket, right? Then the inner bracket will be evaluated like this, AB plus, then into C is there, right? Okay, and then divided by D. So when you come to the next step, now you know that this is the bracket which is to be evaluated now, the first one. So you write AB plus C into, right? This bracket is evaluated, now only divided by D is left. So you write AB plus C into D divided by. The answer will be the same what I have done above. So even if you are comfortable when you practice such questions, then without the brackets also it can be done, right? So whatever way you feel comfortable, you can do it like this, right? So I did it in the first way I did it, there also I got the same answer, right? This one, sorry, this was the answer, right? And here also we are getting the same. Now let's take up one more example for this. Let's take up this. Convert A plus B into C minus D divided by E. Now here in this side I'll write the brackets exponentiation multiply or divide, right? Okay, and then the fourth one is add or subtract. This is the evaluation order. Okay, now look at this here. First of all, this A plus B, right? So first we will do that, AB plus, got it? And then you have got into C. Now I'm writing the whole expression, minus D divided by E. This is what you have, right? Now after this, brackets are now gone, right? There are no exponentiation in this. So what is the next one? It is multiply or divide. And multiply or divide, both these we have, and it is to be done from left to right, right? Got it? Okay, now see, what is the leftmost operator now? This is the multiplication sign, right? So you have AB plus, once you have done that, evaluated that bracket, that should come as it is, right? So AB plus is already evaluated, you don't have to do anything with that. Now into C, right? Into C will become C and then into, fine? Then you have got minus D divided by E, that is the same thing, right? Okay, now AB plus C into, after till this you have done. Now you have got two more operators in this. One is minus and one is division, right? So which has got the higher priority? Division has got the higher priority. So first of all we have to do this, right? So I put the subtraction operator minus as it is, and here I'll write D divided by E will become DE and then the division sign. Okay, now after this, now only one operator is left, that is this minus, right? So now you write AB plus C into DE divided by and then minus. This should be the answer. AB plus C into DE divided by minus. Understood? This is the answer. First of all, we converted this bracket, right? After that, we did that multiplication sign, right? After doing that multiplication sign, we have a minus operator and a divide operator. Divide operator has got a higher priority, so we take it up first. So DE divided by and then this. Okay. Now let's take up an expression which has got some more terms, right? Here, give the postfix for this expression. Let's say A into bracket B plus C plus D into E plus F divided by G into H. This is the expression, right? Okay, now see, A into, right? This is the bracket we have. Now inside this bracket there are some inner brackets also. So first of all we will evaluate the inner brackets. So I write here B plus CD plus. Is that right? C plus D is put as CD plus, right? Into will come as it is. Then E plus F can also be evaluated now, EF plus, right? And then that divided by G will come as it is, right? Into H. Okay. A into, now see, B. Now one thing that you have to remember here is whatever expressions you have evaluated, right, you can just make a note of that expression, that this expression is already evaluated here. C plus D is already evaluated, E plus F is already evaluated. So you have to be careful about those signs, that is these this plus sign here, this is already done, and this plus sign here, this is already done, right? Okay, should not get confused about that. Now here we come. Now there is a multiplication sign which has to be done, right? So here I'll write B plus, right? Okay, here it will be CD plus, this is already evaluated, fine. Now it is basically this one, here, see this expression, CD plus into EF plus, this is what we are going to do, right? So if you do this, what will happen, it will become, I'll write here CD plus EF plus, and then the into sign will come, and then divided by G, okay, and then you have into H. Okay, now the next step. Now this is also evaluated, right? CD plus into EF plus is also done, right? So now what are the other things that is left? That is this plus sign here and this division sign here. So division has got a higher priority, so I'm going to do this first. So A into B plus CD plus EF plus into, now what will you have, G and then the division sign, okay, and then into H. Got it? Now finally that plus sign, this B plus, this will have to be done. So how will you do it? A B C D, right? That this plus sign will now come at the end, right? So it is actually, this expression now becomes something like this. B plus, the whole thing you put inside bracket, whatever you have here, right? CD plus EF plus up to this G and then division. So these are two expressions which have to be added. So this plus sign will come at the last. Okay, so here it will be BCD plus EF plus into G divided by and then plus. Got it? And then you have into H, right? Now A into BCD you have, so that is again, both are multiplication sign now. This is also A into here, right? Okay, so first of all I'll do this, ABCD plus EF plus into G divided by plus and then into, right? Okay, and then this whole thing is there in the bracket, and then again you have got into H. So now what will it be? ABCD plus EF plus into G divided by plus into, now H will come and after that into will come, right? Got it? So this, the last one that we have written, this is your postfix expression. Okay, so this way you will convert the infix expression into the postfix expressions. Here I have not taken any extra brackets. We have done it without putting any extra parentheses. Once you understand the basic evaluation order and keep track of all the conversions that you have already done, right? Even if you don't take extra brackets and all, it can be worked out properly. At times when you put lots of parentheses, it becomes a bit confusing. Not always, but maybe, right? So you will have to look at the expression wherever you are comfortable in putting the brackets, right? And wherever the expressions can be evaluated, it can be done, right? So with that, I come to the end of this session. Bye.